Man, these Air Jordan 3 reimagines are going to be probably the talk of the year. You guys know when we had the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found release, that's literally everybody, was talking about. They put every other shoe to the back burner. And I feel like these Air Jordan 3s kind of messing up the market, how people feeling about certain sneakers, because everybody is tuning in and zoned in on the Air Jordan 3 reimagined white cement. So we're going to talk about it in today's video, man. All right, guys. So we just got official images of the Air Jordan 3 reimagined like less than a day ago. And literally, if you go on Twitter, you go on IG, you go on Facebook, probably, you're going to see people talking about the Air Jordan 3 reimagined, how they're going to double up, triple up, get 4 pairs of them joints, just because they are literally only wanting this sneaker. And I feel like these last couple months, January and February, been full of just mid drops, if that makes sense. When I say mid drops, it's just sneakers that a lot of people do like, but not the majority of the people, to where it's raising the hype up, is raising resale values. And I think that Jordan Brand's kind of peeping at, and that's why I always think that they're going to be doing these shock drops for certain sneakers like the Air Jordan 3 reimagined. So the release date for these joints is March the 10th, and they retailing for $210, which is like less than 2 weeks away, or maybe a little over 2 weeks. I'm doing the math right. But you guys know what happens usually before these hype drops, these crazy sneakers that we've been waiting for. It's either a shock drop or an exclusive access, or a conjunction of both, like we've seen for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. So I could say either this upcoming weekend, Friday, Saturday time frame, or early next week. I think, rumor has it that we will get something as far, along the lines of shock drop, restocks, exclusive access for these bad boys right here. Like I said, man, everybody's waiting for them. And I can't think of any other sneaker that I really want more than the Air Jordan 3 reimagined, man. I'm trying to think. I know we got a couple dope pair Air Jordan 1s. We even got the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. We just talked about it in yesterday's video. But these joints right here, I'm telling y'all, have to be probably solidified as the sneaker of the year. And I want these more than the DMP 11s, just because I already have the Concords and I don't need the DMPs, because the only thing you got on there is a gold jump, man. Then you get Jordan going down the tongue, and then you get the gold tag. So I'm way more excited for the Air Jordan 3 reimagined. I know everybody in this video right now is waiting for these joints, waiting for them to drop, and everybody like, yo, when is this shock drop gonna happen? Because everybody knows it is definitely going to happen. We just don't know the exact date, but it has to be within these next couple of weeks, because usually when we get drops, like just for instance, the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, we got that shock drop 2 weeks before the initial drop, and some people was waiting on their shoe all the way up into the actual release week of the playoffs. And shipping for Nike been very, very slow, so they have to like kind of boost the hype up. They got to get the brand out there, and this is the best way to do it, is for a shock drop or an exclusive access. And you guys know everybody's gonna be talking about it. All your favorite YouTubers, whoever they are, you're gonna be hearing them talking about these Air Jordan 3 reimagined, because it's gonna happen, bro. We know it, bro. Like, just history. Just look back at what we've been seeing recently with these hype drops. An exclusive access comes out or a shock drop happens, and everybody knows about it. So I always tell people and lead people to my Twitter. It's going to be linked down below, the Real Da Vintage, or I think it's Da Vintage, or one of the two, but it's going to be linked down below in the description box. And that's going to help me help you guys in the event that it is a shock drop within these next couple of days. I think that's going to happen within the next week. Like, I'm gonna just put it down into this week. You feel me? Give me 7 days. If I'm wrong, hey, go ahead and tag me in the comments. But I could definitely see that happening in the next 7 days. I haven't been wrong before, but this is my prediction. This is what I think Nike is going to do. I ain't got no inside connects that deep. Like, I got some connects, I got some info, I got some plugs, but nothing that's telling me the exact date, the exact time when it's going to happen. But just know, when I know, the entire sneaker community is going to know, because hey, everybody's going to be talking about this crazy drop for these Air Jordan 3 reimagined white cements. Definitely has to be probably the best Air Jordan 3. That might be a stretch, because you got the black cements, you got the true blues, you got a couple other dope Air Jordan 3s that I can't really say that it is the best, but just for shits and giggles, just because we are talking about this drop, it has to be like top 3, top 2 Air Jordan 3s of all time. And I want you guys to react to that. Let me know what you think about these joints down below in the comment section, man. I know a lot of people are not here for the whole reimagined vibe. Like I said, we did get the Lost and Founds with the crackle leather, got the receipt in the box, the whole Lost and Found theme around the entire sneaker. And now we're getting the reimagined Air Jordan 3s with the aged midsole. I don't know how the leather is on top. I don't think it's cracked or anything like that. I've never seen a pair in hand. I haven't even watched some of my boys' videos, and they had them early. I don't want to get my thoughts all gathered up from their videos. I'm just gonna wait till I get the shoe in hand, give you guys my fair, honest judgment of the sneaker. And I already know, man, I've been going crazy for 3s, 4s, and 1s. So hey, this is probably one of my favorite, most anticipated drops of 2023, if I'm being honest. It's like I said, you guys let me know what you think about these joints. What's gonna happen? Is Nike gonna hit us with a shock drop and exclusive access, or just exclusive access? I know the sneaker passes is coming. I know it's gonna be a crazy drop. I just hope that it's not like the Lost and Found drop. If you guys don't remember the Lost and Founds and they dropped, literally the sneakers app was broken. Like, I can never enter for the shoe. I entered on 2 accounts. I could enter on either one of them joints. I tried to enter GS Edmonds, but I kept getting that refresh screen. I think they was like kind of shadow banning me, saying I'm a bot or something, because that's when the height of the whole sneaker bot talk was going on with Nike. They came out with the whole bot protection bull jive, and yeah, I think they probably called your boy a bot. But that release was crazy. I don't want this to happen for the Air Jordan 3, Reimagined, because right now, if you check the resale value, the joints is going for a bag, bro. Like, they are going for a lot of money. Even with the Lost and Founds, they dropped all the way down to like the low 300s, and these 3s are still going for damn near $500 on StockX right now that I just checked. So hopefully it goes down a little bit. It should be a major GR. Like, when I say major GR, it should be millions of pairs of these. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. I don't care about the resale value. I just want the shoe. So the more y'all make, the better. In some cases, like the Lost and Founds, they said they made crazy amounts of pairs. I think it was some million pairs, something like that, something crazy. But you guys see the resale value of those, it's still going for around $500. So we shall see what happens. I know I'm talking, I know I'm rambling, but I really want these Air Jordan 3 white cements. I really need them. So hopefully I can double up. I ain't gonna say triple up or nothing like that. And then maybe we do a giveaway on the channel. And if you made it this far in the video and we get this joint up to 500 likes, I'm definitely gonna be teaming up with one of your favorite YouTubers, and we'll be giving back a free pair of Air Jordan 3 white cements in your size, just like me and the homie the Retro Wiz Kid did for the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let me know all your thoughts, opinions about the Air Jordan 3 white cement, aka the Reimagined joints. We've been talking about them for years now. Not years. We've been talking about it for like the last 6 months, since we got those rumors that these were coming out. They're finally here. It's coming. There are pairs out there. Probably some pairs already in stores. So hopefully we see this shock drop. Hopefully we get this exclusive access and we get a decent amount of dubs, and these bots is not taking over this release, because I know there's a lot of people out there that's really excited about these Air Jordan 3 white cements, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And like I said, go follow me over on Twitter, ASAP, link down below in the description box. I love you guys. Appreciate everything y'all do for me. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.